Welcome to English TalkWave. Today, you will travel with Sara. This is Sara's first flight. She has never traveled by airplane before. She speaks only a little English, so everything feels new. Don't worry. You will learn useful English with Sara, step by step. Let's begin. Sara arrives at the airport 3 hours before her flight. She has her passport. She has her flight ticket. She has one suitcase. She has one carry-on bag. Everything is ready. Everything is new. She looks around the airport. There are many people. There are many signs. She feels a little nervous, but she is excited too. Today is a new adventure for her. She wants to do everything correctly. She is not sure where to go. She sees an airport staff member. She walks over with a smile.
Excuse me.
Hello, how can I help you?
This is my first flight. Can you help me, please?
Of course. What can I help you with?
I'm looking for the check-in counter.
Which airline are you flying with?
Air Canada.
Go straight. Turn right at the corner. You'll see counter 25. Please follow the sign.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good flight.
Thank you very much.
Sara follows the signs. She walks to the Air Canada check-in area. Many people are waiting in line. She joins the line. A few minutes later, it is her turn. She walks to the check-in counter with a smile.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Air Canada. May I have your passport, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Let me check your booking. I found your reservation. Everything is ready.
This is my first flight.
That's exciting. Don't worry. I'll help you. Do you have any checked luggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Okay.
Thank you. Your suitcase is within the weight limit. Everything is okay. Your suitcase is checked in. This is your boarding pass and your baggage claim tag.
What are they for?
This is your boarding pass. Keep it with your passport. It shows your gate number, A12, where you will get on the airplane, and your seat number, 24A, where you will sit. Show your boarding pass at the security checkpoint when they ask. Then show it again at the boarding gate before you get on the airplane.
What about the baggage claim tag?
This is your baggage claim tag. Keep it safe. Your suitcase has the same number as this tag. When you arrive in Toronto, go to the baggage claim area. Find your suitcase. Before you take it, check that the number on your suitcase is the same as the number on this tag. If the numbers match, it is your suitcase. Then you can take it.
Thank you. That really helps.
You're welcome. Boarding starts at 9:15 a.m. First, follow the signs to the security checkpoint. After security, follow the signs to gate A12. Please be at the gate before boarding begins.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Sara puts her passport and boarding pass in her bag. She walks toward airport security. She follows the signs. Many people are waiting in line. Sara joins the line. She waits patiently. Soon, it is her turn.
Good morning.
Good morning.
May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Please put your backpack in the tray. Do you have any liquids?
No, I don't.
Okay, please walk through the scanner.
Okay.
Thank you. Everything is okay. You can collect your backpack now.
Thank you. Excuse me. How do I get to gate A12?
Go straight. Follow the signs for gate A. Gate A12 is on your left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Sara picks up her backpack. She leaves the security area. She follows the signs, gate A12. Soon, she arrives at gate. A gate agent is standing near the entrance. Sara walks over with smile.
Excuse me.
Hello.
Is this gate a 12?
Yes, it is. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Everything looks good.
When does boarding start?
Boarding begins at 9:15 a.m. Please wait in the seating area and listen for the announcement. We will call your flight when it is time to board. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Sara is sitting in the waiting area. She watches the airplanes through the window. More passengers arrive at the gate. Everyone is waiting quietly. Soon, an announcement comes over the speaker. Sara listens carefully.
Attention passengers, Air Canada flight. AC 102 to Toronto is now boarding at gate A12. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Everything looks good.
Excuse me. This is my first flight. Can you help me find my seat?
Of course. Walk straight down the aisle. The seat numbers are above the seats. Look for seat 24A. Your seat is on the left by the window.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Sara walks down the aisle. She finds seat 24A. She puts her backpack in the overhead bin. She sits by the window. More passengers board the airplane. Soon, everyone is on board. The cabin doors close. She listens carefully to the safety instructions. She fastens her seatbelt. She looks out the window with excitement. She feels a little nervous, but she is happy. Then she hears the captain's announcement. The airplane begins moving toward the runway. A few minutes later, it takes off. Sara smiles as the airplane climbs into the sky. She is on her way to Toronto. The airplane is now flying high above the clouds. A few minutes later, the seatbelt sign turns off. Sara relaxes and enjoys her first flight. The flight attendant walks down the aisle with a drink cart, bringing drinks and snacks to the passengers.
Excuse me, would you like something to drink?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
Water, please. And
Here you are.
thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
The airplane is flying smoothly. Everything is calm and peaceful. Sara feels more comfortable and enjoys her flight. She drinks her water and looks out the window. The clouds are beautiful. She loves the view. A few minutes later, she needs to use the restroom. She looks around, but she cannot find it. She sees a flight attendant and asks for help.
Excuse me.
Hello. How can I help you?
Where's the restroom, please?
It's at the front of the airplane. Follow the lavatory sign. If the light is green, the lavatory is available.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The flight is almost over. Sara has enjoyed her first flight. Soon, the captain makes an announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, we will arrive in Toronto shortly. Please fasten your seatbelts. Sara fastens her seatbelt and looks out the window. She can see the city below. The airplane slowly descends toward Toronto. A few minutes later, the airplane lands safely at Toronto Pearson Airport. Everyone is happy. The airplane taxis to the gate and comes to a stop. The seatbelt sign turns off. The passengers stand up and collect their belongings. Sara takes her backpack. Before leaving the airplane, Sara smiles and thanks the flight attendant. Then she asks where to go next.
Excuse me. How do I get to immigration?
After you leave the airplane, walk through the boarding bridge. Then follow the signs to immigration.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you for flying with us. Have a wonderful stay in Canada.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Sara thanks the flight attendant with a smile. She leaves the airplane with the other passengers. She walks through the boarding bridge. The boarding bridge takes her to the airport terminal. Soon, She enters the airport. There are many people around her. Some people are walking. Some people are waiting in line. She sees airport staff helping travelers. She sees many signs hanging from the ceiling. The airport is busy, but everything is well organized. She feels excited because she has arrived in Canada. Soon, she sees the immigration signs. She follows the signs to immigration. There is a long line of travelers waiting at immigration. Sara joins the line and waits patiently. She looks around and sees people from many different countries. After a few minutes, it is her turn. She walks to the immigration officer with a smile.
Hello.
Hello.
May I have your passport, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Do you have your declaration form?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I am here to visit my family.
How long will you stay in Canada?
3 weeks.
Where will you stay?
I will stay with my sister.
What is your sister's address?
Maple Street, Toronto.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Welcome to Canada.
Thank you. Excuse me. Where can I get my luggage?
Go straight ahead. You will see the baggage claim sign. Follow the signs to the baggage claim area. You will find your luggage there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you, goodbye.
Sara leaves immigration and customs. She follows the signs to the baggage claim area. Soon, she arrives at the baggage claim area. Many people are waiting for their luggage. She sees suitcases moving around on the baggage carousel. Sara waits patiently for her suitcase. After a few minutes, she sees a suitcase that looks like hers. She walks over to it and checks the baggage tag number. It matches the number on her baggage claim tag. Yes, the numbers match. It is her suitcase. She smiles and picks up her suitcase. Now, Sara is ready to leave the airport. She looks around, but she is not sure where the exit is. She sees many people walking in different directions. She also sees an airport employee nearby. She walks over with a smile and asks for help.
Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Of course.
This is my first time in Canada. Where is the exit?
Go straight ahead. Follow the exit signs. They will take you to the arrivals hall. You can leave the airport from there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day, too.
She follows the exit signs. Soon, she enters the arrivals hall. Many people are waiting to welcome their loved ones. Sara looks around. Then she sees her family waiting for her with beautiful flowers and balloons. They smile and wave excitedly. Sara walks quickly toward them. They hug her warmly. Everyone is very happy. Sara feels excited and full of joy. She can hardly believe it. She made it. Her first flight is over, and she has finally arrived in Canada.